So I believe digitalization had to be done 10, 20 years ago and is generally overall key to HR transformation. And we are late. At least 10, 20 years ago, we had to be digitalized. The operations had to be digitalized. Now, when we talk about the needs of this tech-savvy generation, it's not only about the operations. It's not only about managing payroll. It's not only about your talent acquisition. It's about actually building their capacity and their compatibility and their capability for new roles, how to operate into this new digital world. So if they are individual contributors or they are people managers, we need to see how they are upgrading their performance, how they are managing and ensuring accountability. So these are the areas where we have to work, and this is the organization's need as well, and this is the employee need as well. Along with that, one very important point that I would want to highlight, as Faisal mentioned, human touch, every HR personality, human touch has to be there. You can define human touch as a social factor, as an engagement factor. But when it comes to operations, operations had to be digitalized long ago. But engagement, the interventions, the new ways of engagement, we have to work on that area so that we keep our new age employees, Gen Z and millennials engaged, and we keep them productive as well. When we talk about future of work, I think in this era of digitalization, it's very important that we keep EQ in mind. And this future of work is not possible without EQ. So the new leaders, the new generation has to be more focused on EQ, which will obviously fulfill their needs, which will fulfill the organization's needs. But we cannot say that, digitalization is going to do everything for us. It's going to get half of the job done, and then we have to do rest of the job by ourselves. So any blue sky meetings where we have to put up ideas or bring up something new, that cannot be done virtually. But a simple KPI meeting, a simple Excel meeting, we can do that on Teams, we can do that any other platform which is available in the market. But it's very important that we segregate digitalization with the culture or the requirement of engagement and all of those important things that we call that this will make the culture of an organization or this will make organization achieve their business goals. So these are my 2 cents.